Hi guys, it's Lincoln here, and today I've got something super special to tell you. It's a new software that was just released, and you're absolutely going to love it. In fact, this got me excited, and it's really something that can help you in your business. I'm now going to show you the demo in a second, but before I do that, I want you to click the link below this video to check out the special bonuses that you can get if you pick it up through my link. Okay, let's jump in and see the video.
AI White Labels offers a comprehensive suite of AI-powered tools designed to enhance business efficiency and improve customer engagement. The platform features a user-friendly interface, allowing users to integrate a variety of AI applications into their existing systems seamlessly. It provides customizable solutions, enabling businesses to brand the tools as their own, enhancing their market presence. Using AI White Labels, companies can access advanced technologies such as chatbots, automated content generation, and data analytics, all tailored to specific industry needs. The emphasis on white labeling allows clients to maintain control over their branding while leveraging powerful AI capabilities. Additionally, AI White Labels offers extensive support and resources to help users maximize the benefits of their AI tools. The platform is suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to established enterprises, looking to innovate and stay competitive in their fields. With AI White Labels, organizations can easily harness the power of artificial intelligence to drive growth and streamline their operations.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you loved it. Don't forget, I have some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. See you.